It is very, very important day for the Siva Institute of Management, especially when we are conducting this 15th Samanvai. So far we have done 14 Samanvais because it is an annual event. Every year we conduct this intercollegiate meet every year, and this is being the 15th Samanvai. At the same time, because we are conducting this 15th Samanvai in the Golden Jubilee celebration year of Siva Group of Institutions. That is why I am telling this is a very significant year and a significant event in this particular Golden Jubilee year. Samanvai means it is the essence of spirit of unity, spirit of coordination. Through this Samanvai, we have a lot of intercollegiate competitions, like you got formal events and you got informal events, and very, very historic occasion today. We got more than 2,000 people who appeared and participated in this particular 2-day mega event, and the students are coming from all parts of the state and the neighboring states also. It is very, very unique in the history of Siva Institute of Management. The college which bags the highest number of points in various competitions will bag the coveted and prestigious trophy, that is what is known as Sataj of Samanvai, which is being floated in the name of our late illustrious founder, Sri S.P. Sampati. And in addition to the individual winners and losers, winners and runners, we also give that best college. And in 2008, we installed this particular institution, this award. In 2008, Mallareddy College has got it. And 2009, Usman University of Business and Management, they bagged the award, trophy, and this year we are all going to wait and see who is going to bag this particular coveted award and trophy tomorrow. And today we had the inauguration, and the inauguration has been done by Sri Ashok Reddy, Executive Director of IVRCL, and in his inaugural address, he really commended the role of youth in the present context today. He said youth has got a dynamic role, and definitely they should work for the reconstruction of Indian economy into a fastest economic country in the world. That's what exactly he was talking. And tomorrow, we'll have the validity tomorrow evening, and Mr. Emmanuel David, Group Head HR, Ramki Infra, is going to be the chief guest for tomorrow, and will be distributing the prizes for winners and runners-up and the coveted trophy tomorrow at 5 o'clock at the valedictory meeting. Actually, still we are going for the statistics because there is a lot of crowd from today morning, and I think it's more than 150 colleges who participated all over the street. Registration is free, and we are not collecting any fee because we wanted to encourage the students to really unearth their talent, that showcase their knowledge and skills. And especially more than 650 students have participated from other than Hyderabad, and we have given the accommodation. We are given a boarding and lodging facility for all those outstation students. So it is there's another important thing for Sivashivani, because we thought we should encourage the students all over the state, not from Hyderabad alone. That's the reason we had total 2,000, I think around 700 students from outside Hyderabad, around 1,200 to 1,250 from Hyderabad local. This is what exactly we thought. This is a 2-day event, and today all preliminary rounds of competitions are going on, and tomorrow we will have the finals. And tomorrow evening we are going to announce the finalists for each and every event. There are total 13 events which are comprising of formal and informal. The best of the best, that is Young Manager Award, whoever is going to bag it, he will have a free Bangkok trip for 1 week, and it is sponsored by Global Talent Consultants of Thailand. So this is what exactly we are doing.